So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to underline text here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm going to go to the top left here and press on untitled number 4 to get a blank document. Once that is done here, to add some text to your document, first and foremost, go to the bottom right, press on the A with the square to add some text. So I'll just go ahead and type in the word right here, underline. Just like that. So as you can tell, the text is not underlined. If you want to underline the text, press on the text right here, then press double tap it right here, then press on where it says B, I, and U. Then where it says underline, press on underline right here. Now as you can tell, the text is actually underlined. So super simple, super straightforward. To make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. There's an underline on the text. But that's how you guys can underline text here on freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.